Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to make a long cut on this wide uh, wooden plank using this reciprocating saw. Can it be done? Yes, it can be. You need to have a proper blade, reciprocating saw, and yes, good battery to hold. Now this is my garage, not my workshop. That's why I don't have like a clamp, but the secret to good cut is like holding it nicely straight. The more stable it is, better cut you will be able to do. So for practicing, I would say use cheaper blades, but once you do it professionally, use professional grade equipments. Okay, now proper protection is very much required, like put on gloves. This is my home and I'm not using high class sophisticated equipment, that's why I have not put anything. Otherwise put on shoes, gloves, and yes, eye protection is very important because it generates a lot of particles. Okay, so that shouldn't be falling into your eyes. That's very important, you should be careful. Okay, so when you are begin with a particular area, like if you do begin from here. Okay, just to first make it steady so that it the blade stabilizes itself after some moments. Then you can go even deep and make even bigger cut. So I'm gonna start. Okay, I'm gonna start like this all the way down. Okay, I'm trying to show you as much as I can because I'm holding everything with one hand. If you have line mark, that's better, but and the more stable it is, better it will be. So when you do it professionally, you use clamps. Right now I don't have a clamp at my home, that's why I'm not using it, but we can still make a cut. Let's see how easily it has gone there. So just make it stable as far as you can do. The more stable it is, cleaner cut it will make it. Okay, so let's continue. So the cut was indeed successful. You may not say it's not straight, definitely I accept that, but as I said, like you need to have grip or stability, then it will be. But because it was shaking a lot, there was no clamp, that's all right. But still you can make this cut. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.